Are you having trouble with your Targus docking station and your Dell laptop? You're not alone. A common issue is USB-C compatibility, especially with Dell XPS, Latitude, and Inspiron models from the past 5 to 7 years. The core problem lies in USB-C's lack of standardization. Dell often uses Thunderbolt, a more advanced version of USB-C for docking, requiring specific features like DisplayPort alternate mode for video. Targus docks might default to basic USB-C, causing recognition issues if your Dell needs Thunderbolt's higher bandwidth for things like dual 4K displays. This can manifest as no display output, charging problems, or peripherals not being recognized. Check if you have the latest Targus firmware, released Q2 2025, and Dell BIOS updates, like version 1.28 for XPS 15. Ensure your dock is Thunderbolt certified. Newer Targus docks have this. If problems persist, dive into troubleshooting steps. Let's get your Targus dock working with your Dell. First, verify your Targus dock and Dell laptop model are compatible via Dell's support site or Targus documentation. Next, ensure your laptop's BIOS and your dock's firmware are up to date. Outdated software often causes connection failures. In Windows Device Manager, confirm the dock is recognized as a trusted device. Try different USB-C ports on your Dell, as some ports may support Thunderbolt while others don't. Use high-quality active USB-C cables, particularly for 4K video. Power delivery PD mismatches can prevent charging, so double-check your dock's power output matches your Dell's requirements. If you encounter a blank screen, make sure video protocols, HDMI DisplayPort over USB-C, are compatible. If all else fails, community forums like Reddit's r/Dell and Targus support are great resources for finding specific solutions to your setup.